my client, who is a fitness coach, needs to keep track of how her clients are progressing through their fitness program by keeping track of the weekly body measurements that they submit. With the help of this, she monitors their efforts, results, and discusses those in their one-on-one or group coaching calls. Now, I want to show you how this has become a smooth process using Airtable forms and interface. When a new client is added into the Airtable database, they get sent an Airtable form to submit their weekly measurements along with details about their onboarding. Each week on their call with the coach, they submit their weekly measurements, which we can check on the Airtable view grouped by each client. This was our old method of viewing clients' progress, but in due course, Airtable came up with interfaces which gave us an option to create customized view to create charts to visualize the same data in this way. You can still get to view your data in tabular form if you need to, which I have added below this chart. And that, my friends, is a small example of a system that has been set up once and takes care of capturing the data in a streamlined, effortless and non-manual way.